Solar Babies, La Uva Loca, California's finest, all for you to smoke on.
I like your funny words, Magic Man.
Master Chief, you mind telling me what you're doing in that Snuggie?
Sir, going blanky mode.
Damn it, I've been banned from Dave & Buster's.
Let me get this straight. You think that killing those guys is funny?
I do. And I'm tired of pretending it's not.
Ooh, I'm mentally ill.
Am I boring? Sure. Social skills? None. But I'm loyal if you feed me, and I will never leave you because, well, I need the food.
Dude. Oh, hi, Jake. What are you doing?